Alright, well, the next thing that we're going to be unboxing today. Ta-da! Wow. Fancy. This whole salad stand is pretty slick. Push this button, pull this up, pulls this little latch back, slide this over, push it down, locked in place. That's pretty cool. I'm going to unbox this. coming up. As you can see, hopefully, this has the blade shadow thing, so you get your, where you draw your line, you can put that shadow right above it and go cut right through it. It's a lot more accurate than the laser systems. I prefer it a lot more than most of the other ways. That's what I find pretty cool about this saw. And yeah, so here, I'll do a couple test cuts. I already made a mess. I guess I can just commit to it now. Beautiful. Thanks for watching this video of me unboxing the miter saw. Hopefully I'll post a video of me actually getting a lot of use on it. We'll see. I plan on framing out my own shop once I find property to move out onto. So I'll be using it a lot when I do that. See ya.